of the original Star Wars film, an intrepid special effects man named Marvin Kaufman actually created a real working lightsaber. In a disastrous accident, an extra was killed and the use of the working lightsaber was forbidden. The studios denied its existence and the prototype disappeared along with its creator. Some 40 years later, Eric Beck has unearthed the lost lightsaber plans on eBay and has completed his own version of the device.
Finished! I'm gonna rob a bank with this.
You stole my blueprints, and you built an abomination.
What are you talking about, old man? I pimped this bitch out.
Oh. Now I gotta kill you.
Bring it. Wait, did that?
Here, hold that out for a second.
Okay, yeah. Let's just test. Oh, come on! It doesn't even. It's like light, I guess. I bet it doesn't even cut through a person.
No, they do.